know it would be goodbye, my love. When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
This is just one of those quiet evenings where I'm just alone with my cravings and my kitchen. So let's make this kitchen a little bit messy. I decided to make something simple, spicy chips masala. Okay, I started by peeling potatoes, just a few of them. Nothing fancy, so I didn't film myself peeling. So I'm just going to slice the potatoes into chips size. I don't know if I do this right. I don't like my chips very slim. I usually have this size. Okay, so for my masala mix, I'm gonna have tomatoes, onions, garlic. I'm not going to add so many spices. I love the aroma, yes, but lately I'm into organic food stuff, so I've been reducing buying those mixes that are already grinded or ground stuff. And for my masala, I love grating hoho. So if you're gonna use pili hoho, then grating is recommended. And same case to the tomatoes. Guys, I was craving something sweet. So for this chips masala, I'm gonna have these pieces of meat. So I put in excess water so that I can remain with some little soup for myself. Yo, don't take me as a weird girl. Okay, I know I am a weird girl, but living alone is just fun. Okay, now we're gonna fry our chips until they are golden and crispy, because you don't want them to be so soggy. You have to make sure they are quite crispy, guys. Okay, cooking for one is sometimes boring, so I just like doing it once in a while, because these little meals that bring comfort just motivate me every evening to keep on cooking. We are good. Time to cook the masala. So I have my onions and I'm gonna add ginger. That's a mixture of ginger and garlic. So I'm gonna add my mixture of tomato paste and the pili hoho. Since it's all grinded, it's not going to take time to be ready. And then we have the lemon that we set aside. I'm gonna squeeze it in. I'm putting my fingers like that to trap any seeds so that they don't get into the food. My friend, ukikula seed ya lemon, hey, it's quite bitter. Okay, and then you're going to add ketchup, because atuta I add as we are eating. I love adding it so that it can simmer together with the other ingredients. A pinch of salt. That one is not a pinch, it's a big pinch of salt. 2 pinches actually. So we are good. Oh, yeah. Then now we are adding our meat to that paste. At this point, you add the chips that you had set aside so that now it can simmer together with the paste. Ooh, koroga, koroga, koroga. And then now we add our dania. Dania doesn't have to cook much. It's just going to steam for 2 minutes. Guys, the food is ready just like that. We are going to serve it. Oh my goodness, the food looks so yummy. I don't know if you guys are salivating with me. Hey, it's so yummy. Have a closer look. That chips masala was bomb, guys. Okay, let's go to the sitting room and enjoy our food. That's your girl eating, enjoying, and watching at the same time. How do you guys like this? I hope you've enjoyed watching. Please leave a like, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please do all those things that you're required to do, because you don't want to miss to see this face in future. Okay guys, thank you for watching up to the end. Comment with the next food you want me to prepare, and I got you. Bye bye.